position, and she really helped me to come to your class. But before that, let me just have a round of introduction with you all so that we can just get connected fast. So before we go any further, let me tell you that today I have plans to introduce you to my new friend Preposition. So let's talk about her. Let me tell you what a preposition is all about. But before that, I need few things because I'm pretty new to the setup, so I need your help. Tell me, where are the books? Okay, the books are here on the table. I need some space, so let me just keep this book in the cupboard. And I need a marker pen. Yeah, it's here. And I prefer to write with the black marker pen. So the topic for the day is preposition. Okay, hold on. I just said that I need some space, so I kept the book from here. I picked up the book from here and I kept it in the cupboard, and I said I need a black marker pen because I prefer to write with black pen. So, and I said that I need some help, but okay, this boy who's sitting behind Aman, yes, you, and this girl who's sitting beside Simran, both of you please stand up. Okay, now I'll ask you a few things and then you need to answer. Tell me, do you like to play? Okay, you said, okay, you like to play cricket, and you play cricket in the evening, and where do you play? You play at your friend's place, okay, and you, this girl, do you like to swim? No, you like to eat. Okay, you don't like to swim, you like to eat. So just now we used the word with, in, behind, beside, at. So any word which tells us where a thing is placed, whether it is on the table, whether it is in the cupboard, whether I am writing with the pen. So all these words which tells the position of a noun or a pronoun. Any word which tells the position of a noun or a pronoun is preposition. I just said that the book is on the table. So where is the book, class? The book is on the table. So the word on is telling us the relationship between the noun book and table. The second sentence is, I said I write with pen. And where was the book, by the way? Yeah, the book is in the cupboard. So children, the word on, the word with, and the word in. All these words are telling us that where these things are. The book is on the table. I write. How do I write? I write with a marker pen. And where is the book? The book is in the cupboard. So any word which tells the position of noun or pronoun in a sentence is known as preposition. Okay, children, let's have a recap of the entire concept once again. Preeti and Pawan, I want both of you to stand up, and I've come to know that you have a puppy. So please tell the class how you manage your puppy. Both of you, please tell everyone about your puppy.
I got to know that you got a puppy last week.
Yes.
How wonderful.
His name is Fluffy.
We have become very good friends, but he's very naughty.
What does he do?
He sits beside me, he goes outside in the garden and plays in the pool, he barks at anyone who is in front of the gate, he sleeps under my bed, and he plays with the dustbin in the kitchen.
He surely knows how to have fun.
I bet he does.
Okay, children, they said that they have a puppy and they named it Tuffy, and they used the word beside, into, inside, from. So all these words, beside, into, from, through. All these words explain the position of their pet Tuffy at their place. So I'm sure now it's very, very clear to each one of you that preposition are position words. They tell the position of noun and pronoun in a sentence. Okay, to have a quick recap of the whole thing, I will call Pawan and Preeti to come here and use the words beside, outside, in, into, inside, in front of and under to describe their pet Tuffy.